Hello, my name is Ming, and I'm the representative of the group 16 from the course Data Structure and Algorithm, guided by Mr. Tida. And so now I will demonstrate to you about my group project for the last assignment, and and um, and I call it the Google API or the Google Map project. And so I will share you on the screen right now. So as you can see in my screen here, so I will briefly talk about the outcome of the our project, and basically the system of us certifies the requirements from the assessment that it can uh, it can both edit, remove, and add, and even the search for the point simultaneously. And and our group has tested these functions correctly, and it runs them smooth. So now I will demonstrate to you right now step by step how the flow of the our main program and how can we implement its functions to get that outcomes. So basically, here's the main function. Basically, when the user first run the program, it will prompt up a main menu to ask the user to either have the several options here, as you can see, from add place, edit place, remove place, and even the search place. So now, for example, I will want to add some places on the map, and I will choose the number one as the add place option. Type one. Okay, so now firstly, it asks me to enter the place name. For example, I will name it Ming, and it asks me the latitude. It's basically the coordinates of the point and of the point on our map, and I call it 50. Longitude is 50 also, and the service, and I must choose the service that I need to mark the point. So basically, I have created the 10 services here. So basically, for example, I need to like assign it the library here, and type minus on to exit. And as you can see, the system notified to the user that I have successfully added the point here. So it included my name, the location in the point format, in the point type, and the service type is the library here. And after that, um, even that I can verify the place that I added by using the search function. So type for. So firstly, the requirements ask us to like find the all of the points in the box. So I need to specify the box coordinate, and let's introduce the top left corner of the box. So it must be so for the point in it must be in the box. So the top left corner of the box must be lower than the the coordinates of the point. And I need to, and for example, I assign it to 40 and 40. And the bottom right of the box must be like larger than the point, so it can cover the point. So I can assign to 100 and 100 for example. And as you can see, I just added the library here. So I want to find the library to verify it. So firstly, um I just need to like validate if the if all the function correct or not. So I will just only show you about just one data of the point. So later on I will show you about the thousand and many data that can use to like verify the efficiency of our system. So basically I type 10 here to find the library of the library -1. So you can see here, as you can see here, the I have searched the place, and it will return me the value of the point that I recently added before. And and it will also return the distance from the center to the from the center of the bound to the library. And I can edit the place, and I need to specify the coordinates of the exact point that I added before. So to be edited, it is 50, 50. So when the system find the correct coordinates of the point, so it will ask me to enter the new name. For example, I type S for something, and I am allowed to assign the other services for this point. So basically, I can assign to the bank. Okay, so you can see in the menu screen here. Um, the system notify me that I have successfully edited the point. It from the old point to the new point is the with the new names S and the new location here. Okay, so I can, even though I can remove the place I create, so I need to specify the exactly coordinate that I need to remove. 50, 50. So you can see that the system aware me that I have successfully removed the point that I edited before S and the list location of 50, 50. So so that's our first validation to make sure that the logic of the system go on well and follow exactly what the requirements and expectation of the assessment ask us about. So now I will demonstrate you about how the system can work with the multiple values. So basically, I have created a unit test case here. So basically, uh, So basically, in this function, I have created an automatically test so that it will like it will randomly generate randomly generate the places here, and it added the service automatically to verify the places that we added to the map, and then in this function here, in this snippet code here, it will be like to it is will be like to um it will be to like find the all of the places for each corresponding services here in this service types here. So the output will basically print out the apply function first, and then it will search for the places from the initially the gas station to the library service in the last, and then finally it will like test if the edited place and the remove function works or not. So but I will run this this test case here to demonstrate clearly. Okay, run. Okay. Um, as you can see from the screen here, from the in the terminal here. So basically, the system notify me about that the point has been successfully added. As you can see, the name place one, the name place on here is added successfully. Place following that it is the place two. Yeah, it is also added, and then place three is and then it will find the place in the with the corresponding bounding box that I made before, and then it will bring up the and first it will like print out the bounding box I just added, and then it will like search for every it will search for every type of the every places with their services in this string here. And as you can see here, um, it will return the gas station from which I have implemented before, and return and it will also return for the it is also return for the edited, or it's also return the edited if I edit the function correct or not, and then and then after that it will look to the restaurant, hospital, and to the library again, and you can see in the search result output here is empty because I did not generate the I did not generate uh, the the object of the restaurant manually here, so it will print nothing because I did not create anything here. And as you can see, it's the same with the hospital. So for the playthrough and shop, I have created before, so it will print out the data of the points that I wanted to show here on machine here. So basically, it is print out all of the function, and so it's so basically to conclude, my system has successfully printed out the function as well as the area logic, and the feature works well with this function system. And let's talk about briefly about the code and how it's actually exactly doing around it. So basically, the main logic function is in the POI search app here, and I have created a server of data structure needed to implement the logic. And as you can see here, I manually add the apply function, and this one is the POI map. It's used to like store. It was like the database to store the point into this, and every time I add place, edit place, or remove or something, I will work with this database also. Okay, for the search place here, the search place here, I just use the symbol sort function, the symbol search function. I just simply look through the database. I just simply look through the database and check if the point if the point I need if the point in this database contains the specific service type that I want to find, and then I want to check if that point is in the bounding box or not. You can see, so it will like update the minimum distance. So basically, I would like to return the minimum distance from the of the one of from the center to 1 point in the box. And after that, in this function here, it will return the data of the found points, and accordingly, I also use the concept of the Euclidean distance. It will like calculate the distance from 2 points in the to the coordinate. Okay, as you can see here, I need to compare, and I need to compare and calculate the distance from center to the point, from the desired point here. And I also generate my own math library function here. I also have the absolute function, maximum function, square root, power, and I generate my own, so to satisfy the requirements of the assessment. So that's all my presentation for the assessment today. Thanks for listening.